Hey guys, how's it going? How to check if Telegram is hacked or not. To check if your Telegram account might be hacked, go to Telegram settings by opening your Telegram and then go to devices. Alright, and then in the devices you're gonna see if there is any unusual or unfamiliar devices. Look through your chat history or any messages. Go back right here and go to the chats. Okay, and that you didn't send or conversations you didn't have, ensure that two-step verification is enabled in settings, privacy and security. Okay, and in the privacy and security you're gonna be able to add two-factor authentication at the top right here. Okay, check for unauthorized changes. Look for any changes in your account settings or personal information, and make sure you have the latest version of Telegram installed in to protect against security vulnerabilities. Alright, if you suspect a breach, change your password and review security settings immediately. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. We will definitely see you in the next one.